Okay, doing a key fob replacement for a 2023 Ford F450 Super Duty pickup truck. Most of the fobs, I believe 2017 up until either 23 or 24, I believe are the same. But I'm going to show you in here. You can kind of see there's a very small indent in there. You can see right there, that little indent. All right. Kind of show you also at the screwdriver. You can use a flathead screwdriver right there, and we're going to prop that. You kind of see we're just going to twist. Put the phone down for 1 second. As you can see, just do a twist on that little indent with a flathead screwdriver, and then that pops it open with that little indent. And as you can see here, that's the battery it takes. It looks like it's a CR2032 for that fob. And just wanted to give anyone else out there on the YouTube community or that needs help figuring it out. It's a pretty simple one. Usually it's about every year to change your battery for these key fobs. Anyway, alrighty. I hope this was helpful for everyone. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Take care. I'm also going to add to the video, just in order to get that out, I usually use like a hook and pick set. You can kind of see here, one of these little guys, it'll pry it right out fairly easily. If you guys can see, I'm going to try to do it here with 2 hands here. It's hard to see. Just so I can set the camera up for you guys. Choose a little hook and pick set right in there. Oh, pops right out.